I am going to install BusKill on Ubuntu version 22, and it is installed on a VirtualBox virtual machine. Before starting, it is important to note that the various actions described here may vary depending the distribution you are using. The first step is to plug in your USB key, which I have already done. I open it by clicking on the volume, where several folders and files are present at the root. We will focus on the Linux folder. Inside there is a named app image file, which is an executable file for the application. Once I copied it, I right-click on the file, then I select Properties and go to the Permission tabs and check the Execute box to allow us to open this file as a program. To verify that it is working, I double-click on it. And we can see that BusKill has successfully launched. Installing BusKill is one thing, but is important as for any software to be able to update. And fortunately, the process is very simple here. We see that we are currently on version 0.6. We will click on Menu on the top left corner and then click on Update. To update, you need, of course, to be connected to the internet. Then we click on Check Update and wait the download to complete. And once the update is done, we need to click on Restart Now to restart the application. We can see that everything has gone smoothly and we have upgraded from version 0.6 to 0.7. BusKill displays the color blue, and it means that BusKill is disarmed and no action will be executed when the USB key is unplugged. I will now unplug the key and nothing will happen. We can see that the volume in the shortcut bar of Ubuntu is no longer present because it has been unplugged. Now, if I reconnect the key, the volume will reappear and nothing happens. I will now proceed to configure BusKill so that the session locks when I unplug the key. To do this, we click on the menu on the top left corner and then on Settings. Then we click on Trigger and make sure that the lock screen option is selected. We go all the way back and click on Arm so that BusKill is activated and now the color is red. Now, when I unplug the key, the session will lock. I'm going to unplug the key right now, and the session is locked. We will configure BusKill to shut down the system completely when the key is unplugged. First, click on the menu on the top left corner, then click on Settings, followed by Trigger. Here, select the second option, Soft Shutdown. A warning message will appear, urging you to be very careful since you can lose all unsaved work with this operation. Click on Continue, then go back to verify that the shutdown function is indeed activated. And go back one more, we will activate it because BusKill is now armed. I can proceed with the demonstration and unplug the key. There you will see the machine is completely shut down.